Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the NVIDIA app when it can't optimize games. Just follow these steps and your games should be running smoothly in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable automatic optimization first. Open the NVIDIA app and go to Settings. Make sure the option Automatically Optimize Newly Added Games and Apps is enabled. If it was off, turn it on and then check if your issue is resolved. If not, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Allow NVIDIA through Windows Defender Firewall now. Search for the NVIDIA app in the Windows Start menu. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. Right-click the app again and choose Open File Location one more time. Copy the file path from the address bar at the top. Next, open Windows Defender Firewall by searching for it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Change Settings and select Allow another app. Now, in the new window, click Browse, paste the path you copied earlier and hit Enter. Add the NVIDIA app and ensure it's allowed on both private and public networks. Click OK to save the changes. Step 3. Update your GPU drivers next. Search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the Display Adapters section. Find your NVIDIA GPU, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Then, choose Search Automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to finish, then restart your computer. If you're still having issues, let's move to the next step. Step 4. Clear NVIDIA App Cache first. Close the NVIDIA app completely. Make sure it's not running in the System Tray or Task Manager. Now, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows + R, type %local app data %, and hit Enter. Find the NVIDIA Corporation folder and open it. Inside, go to the NVIDIA app folder and delete the CEF cache folder. Now, check if the problem is fixed. If not, move to the final step. Step 5. Reinstall the NVIDIA app. Go to Installed Apps by searching for it in the Start menu. Find the NVIDIA app, click on it, and select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, open your browser and search for Download NVIDIA App. Download the latest version from the official NVIDIA website and reinstall it. Finally, restart your computer and try optimizing your games again. Conclusion, and that's it. After following these steps, your NVIDIA app should now optimize your games without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next one. Bye.